So you could probably tell right away that these two popcorn kernels were 3D printed. They're not real. But can you find the third one I made in this pile of popcorn? Don't worry, I'll tell you which one it is before the end. So to make these kernels, I started in Blender by just smashing a bunch of spheres together. And then I gave them as much detail as I thought they needed. After that, each kernel gets some supports and it's off to the 3D printer. Right out of the curing station, I think these are looking pretty good. I'm gonna give them a white base coat and then experiment with some yellows and browns to find the right color combinations I like. And that's it. That's how you make a fake kernel of popcorn. Can you find the fake food?